What's up people, welcome back to another video, and today is Saturday and we are having so much fun starting this day. We are actually heading out, so I am all set up. The temperature outside is roughly 15, it's in 50, so it's a perfect day to go out. And Ashlie is ready here, and I think, are you excited?
Yes, I'm super excited.
Okay, and she is ready over there. So now you must be thinking, where are we going and why are we so excited? Why is she so excited? I'm gonna tell you that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just hit the subscribe button right now. It's not gonna cost you anything, I promise. And hit the bell icon next to it so that you get any notifications for anything we post. And there's so much content that we have created. I'm literally having a hard time editing that content. So we are having so much fun. So let's head out and you will find out where are we going. So you guys ready to go? Yeah. Let's go!
And we also have our breakfast to go. This is coconut Greek almond granola breakfast.
Yeah, this is like we went to Trader Joe's the other day.
Yeah.
And they tricked us into tasting it, and
Yeah.
then you end up buying it. So anyways, let's. At the SAWGRASS Mills Mall. So that is where we have been heading out to. We are entering from gate number 3. They have like 4 big entrances, and this is a super duper huge mall. So let's see what we are gonna eat, what we are gonna shop. We are more here for like, we are not here for anything specific. Okay, so this place has avenues. So we came from Avenue 3, and then there's Avenue 4 and Avenue 2 over there. And then we're gonna go figure something out where we wanna go, like get the map or something. And oh my god guys, we're right in front of Burlington. So they have Burlington, they have Super Target, and they have all of those stores in the mall, on the mall thing. So
Let's go.
we'll see you guys in some time once we figure out where are we gonna head next. Okay guys, so we are sitting in CPK California Pizza Kitchen. If you have never tried the food before, highly recommended if you love Italian. Even we have tried the pizzas before. So she ordered a pizza, and then she ordered a pizza combo with a salad. She's busy looking at something else.
She ordered a pasta, right?
She ordered a pizza.
Oh, pizza.
And then
You ordered
I ordered a pasta. So we are really excited. We have tried the pizza before, they were really good. So we are excited about the rest of the food. So once the food arrives, we'll show you how it looks. So for now, we are just gonna enjoy our delicious bread and oil.
your pizza kitchen. And look behind, that is the Rainforest Cafe. So when I first came to US, we came to this mall and we tried the Rainforest Cafe here. It was so good. So the main things that we wanted to shop, we came here, we did that. But now we're just roaming around and let's see what we are going to shop, what we are going to do. Alright guys, so we are heading back home. Our trunk is full of all the bags. We'll definitely show you once we reach home. We had an amazing day. Did you have an amazing day?
Yes.
Yes. And did you have an amazing day?
Yes.
And we got some special donuts that we'll show you once we reach home, and they are like so delicious.
And we are home, and all I see are bags, bags and bags and bags and bags everywhere, and there are bags inside the bags. So you can imagine how much fun we had. We had such a good food, and I really wanted to show you guys the donuts these people they got. You want to show them the donuts?
Yes.
These are called injection donuts. These are called smart donuts basically. So they have an injection and you just, yeah, that's how they look.
But before eating, just press the injection and then
into a donut, and then oh my god.
This is the brownie chocolate icing donut. This is the Oreo
vanilla.
white vanilla icing donut. Yes.
Yeah. Look at that. It's super yummy. So how the donuts work.
Yep.
For now we have to arrange everything and then give Marvel a walk.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you a little bit some of the stuff that we got. So we'll see you guys after giving a walk. Okay guys, so Tana is arranging things and we are gonna show you what we got, but in the meantime I got two more things for Ashlie. If you guys don't know, it's her birthday next month and we won't be there, so we are trying to celebrate with her now. So there were a couple of things that she really wanted and liked while she was here, so we just ordered most of the things. We got her this, the kettle that she very much wanted, and then she is opening her gift over here, so we are gonna see how she likes this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I was gonna order these.
So she really wanted these spoons to have like shakes and stuff with the tall glasses and things like that.
Eating rice with that spoon.
I love these spoons. I can't wait.
So we got her that, and let's see what else she got here.
Oh my gosh, exactly what else I was gonna buy too. Oh my gosh, yay! I'm so excited.
So she really wanted these. So those of you cannot see, these are like hangers, and these are very different ones, as you can just use them to organize a lot of stuff. So yeah, so one hanger can actually hold like 6 things. I'll show you in my closet sometime. I'll do a video on closet organization, how I like to organize my closet, and that's when I'll show you more about these hangers. But for now, this is what she has been really wanting, and we got this for her. And there's one more thing we got for her is her shoes. I think that is this. So you want to open?
Yes.
And she got these.
So
we
cute.
really love those shoes. Those look
super
so
comfortable.
good.
Super comfortable.
Marvel, can you please leave the bag to mommy and daddy? Okay, some of the other stuff that we got is like from we swing by the Patel brothers. We need some oil. Tanya is gonna bake banana bread, and then we are gonna bake her a Bourbon vanilla cake tomorrow or sometime. And then we got her her favorite snacks.
And look how many.
Yeah, look at this. So we got her some favorite snacks. She really loved aloo matar and matar paneer from MTR,
like 2 of those.
and she loved this crunchy dal, moong dal, and then she loves the tea. So we got all her snack. It feels like we are sending a kid away to a dorm, like sending with all these snacks. And She loved these gupchups, and look.
Look how many we got.
We robbed the store. Look at this. Like, this is not all for her. This is like half for us and half for us. But look at this. How many gupchups we got. I promise you guys, there were like barely 5 more left in that whole thing. So, yes, and then we got some bundi over here and some onions over here. And I got my favorite jam over here and Amul cheese.
And so, I got palak paneer to try because I have never tried MTS palak paneer.
Yes. So that was mostly the stuff that we got from Patel Brothers. Now what we got from the mall, let us show you some of that.
Okay, Ashlie got me this cup. Look at this. And then she got this for herself. This is a honey. You can keep honey in it, as it has a wooden spoon that, you know, it makes it very easy to take out honey. And then we got this wok, this cast iron wok. We are so excited to use this. And then this is Ashley's. She got a water bottle for herself, and this is mine. And then again, we got 2 of these. One is for Ashlie, one is for me. These are milk containers.
It was truly a sister bonding day. I'm telling you guys, they like literally got everything same.
We have 2 pans. So these are dosa pans. One is for Ashlie, one is for me.
Oh my god.
Yep. And then what else did we get?
You got matching PJs, like nightwear.
That and we'll show you today, definitely. And then we got this.
Yeah, we got this coffee organizer. We really wanted this, and we got this for 12 bucks. Yep. So that was really great.
And then we got a matching PJ. So this is how the PJ looks. This is the top, and then this is the bottom.
Let's sleep under the stars. So they've got the matching one for that too.
And Ashlie got this
zipper.
It's so pretty. Look at the color. And she got something for Nitish. We did buy something for Nitish. Don't you worry, people. We got for him also.
We are not gonna just show because I'm not sure if he wants him to know or not. So, and then what else we got in here?
I got everything from this.
Oh, okay. Well, we got this.
Yeah, this bag.
She bought this bag.
This black bag?
Her Converse shoes we give.
Okay. Oh yeah, she also got these shoes. So when in Marshall, so what happened was in Marshall.
Oh, those are nice.
You both go and stand in the checkout line. I was going, and then she told me, "You go and stand in the checkout line. I'm coming." And then she went to buy it.
No, those look really cool. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was our shopping in a nutshell. Of course, we have to now organize things, and she is gonna have to buy a check-in now.
Oh yeah.
So she came without one, and now she's gonna need one.
She just came with a backpack.
Yep. So anyways, we are going to organize all of this, and then we'll definitely let you know about 2 things, like how the donuts are, and then they will show you their matching PJs when they wear it. For now, our little baby is hungry and it's almost 6, so we need to take him out for a walk, and see you guys a little later. Good morning. And yesterday we forgot to finish this vlog because we were so busy watching movie. So we watched Good News yesterday. We showed you what we shopped and everything. Tanya is cleaning the house. There she is, twinning with her sister-in-law. They both are wearing the same PJs. We are not gonna be there with her in March. It's her birthday next week. So we just decided to celebrate a little, and she made a bourbon vanilla cake. Right?
Madagascar bourbon vanilla cake.
Madagascar bourbon vanilla cake. So let's get this party started. Okay guys, so we are ready to cut that Madagascar bourbon vanilla cake right here. And are you ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to sing a song?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead, make your wish.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Happy birthday to Ashlie. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh.
Mama, are we celebrating Ashley's early birthday? Wow! Happy birthday to you! Woohoo!
I'm gonna make you eat.
Is it
So
good? So that's Madagascar Vanilla Bourbon Cake. Yup.
Mm.
So good.
I'm gonna end this vlog now, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, bye!
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Wow! And we are